Good morning, boys and girls. We are going to practice our letters and the sounds they make. Y says yeah. Y, yeah. Remember, you say it, and then you will put the line underneath when you say the sound like this. Y says yeah. Y, yeah. E is a what? Vowel. That's why it's in red. E has two sounds, a long E and a short E. E says E. E, E. E says eh. E, eh. F says f. F, f. J says j. J, j. G says g. G, g. G also says j, j, like giraffe. G says j. G, j. B says b. B, b. Ooh, what is this? It is a vowel. O. O. And so they have two sounds. O says O. 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 O says ah, like you're going to the doctor's and they tell you to say ah. O says ah. O, ah. R says R. K says k. K, k. S says s. S, s. X says x. X, x. H says h. H, h. We have another vowel, so it has a long sound and a short sound. I says I. I, I. I says I. I, I. D says d. D, d. Z says z. Z, z. V says v. V, v. L says O. L, O. We have another vowel. Has a long sound and a short sound. U says you. U, you. U says you, Think of when you have a bellyache and you say Another vowel. Has a long sound and a short sound. A says A. A, A. A says ah. A, ah. P says p. P, p. M says M, M. T says t. T, t. W says w. W, w. Q says qu. Q, qu. N says N, C says k. C, k. Oop, and then those are the other sounds. Let's just look really quick because I think we said P twice. So let's flip this over and we'll say D says D. D, D. See if you have a D. Flip it over, and it's a P. Okay, practice your letters and sounds every day. It will help you spell out words and read words.